Alright guys, TKS Hobby. The Arrma Big Rock build is completed. I don't got the body on. I'm gonna throw that on in a second. But I just wanted you guys to check this out real quick. I'm rolling on 3S. This is 3S. Just so we know, I'm gonna go into it easy so that I don't have to hold it because I'm filming with one hand. But check this out, y'all. Why? That's crazy. Obviously, these tires balloon like crazy. But this is 3S, y'all. A basic LiPo 50C 3S LiPo, 5200 milliamp. What is this thing? Y'all know it's one of them old LiPos, the Z Power. One of them old LiPos that's out, not one of the new ones, on 3S. Yes, it's a 2900 kV motor, so that's mad torque. I got it, you know, the standard spur gear is 57 tooth. I put a 17 tooth pinion in here. We're gonna have to get out and run this thing, cause look at this. That looked like my Techno MT410 on 4S. That's crazy. I know this thing is got some serious power, some serious get up and go. So I'm gonna throw this body on here right quick. Guys, give me a quick second. Yeah, she fully ready now. Suited and booted, painted up. Man, look at that paint, man. See, I ain't showed you the big deal. Look at that paint, man. I gotta drop down to the side. Oh, yeah, she changed colors on me. And I know y'all can see now. Try not to blind us. Yeah, boy. Check out that light kit, man. It's in there. Got those headlights in. Yeah. Got those tail lights in. Got to do some adjusting on those, but you know, they in there though. Look at it. She ready for that test run now. I was gonna get out there sooner. The weather's been nice. Man, that's pretty. But I just couldn't do it, man. I didn't even put the decals on yet, but I had to get this light kit in here, man, and get it all the way ready, man, to go. Got this wing on here. Got my roof skids on here. Yeah, I'm excited, fellas. That test run is upcoming. As a matter of fact, we're gonna go get that done right now. Give me a minute to get outside. Wait, I gotta just see it a little bit more before I take it out here. Just in case I crash, I don't want to forget what it looked like when it was done. Man, this thing is hot. I'm happy with the build. I still feel like it's a money pit, but I'm happy with the way things turned out, man. Look at that flip-flop paint, man. Sit down, turn. It's supposed to be gold. Look kind of brown to me, but it's supposed to be green and gold. Stand up as green. And you can really see the gold flake in it, man. You can see it. Smoked out the windows. Black. Yeah, she ready, y'all. So, we ain't gonna spend no more time. Oh, yeah, let me just show you. When I put the light kit in, I made sure I had control. Check that out. Yeah, on and off switch. You know how we do. We don't want to waste the battery in the broad daylight. Well, not always, but we're gonna show these lights off. We're definitely gonna do that. Yes, sir. I think she's truly ready, guys. So yeah, without any more banter, we're gonna get out here and get this thing a rip, man. I'm not gonna be able to get to a spot. Well, I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's a test drive. I don't really want to take it way out to somewhere to test drive it and then it come apart. I've seen guys do that and how they feel when they do that. You know, you take that time, drive all the way out, and you ain't ready because you didn't take that test drive where you feel like it's supposed to be good. At any rate. What's up, guys? I'm finally out here with it. I'm ready to ride for the first time. I'm not gonna mess around with this 2S run. We going straight to 3S because we need to know what it do. It's called the 3S, well, the Arrma Big Rock 3S. So why would we even waste time on 2S? That don't even make sense to me. But as you can see, she's out here. Check out that paint. Check out that light kit. Yes, sir. She's ready to go. So we ain't gonna waste too much time with the video shots. Just want y'all to get a quick look at it. We gonna see what we doing out here on this parking lot.
I know, babe.
All right, guys, we back on the bench after that first run. Shout out to my videographer, my wonderful wife. Yeah, it's dirty. You see, it was muddy out there, man. But yeah, I noticed that the slipper clutch, I didn't adjust it. You know, you usually want to make some adjustments before you run out somewhere. Like contrary to what I said, right? You want to shake it down close to home. I got it out there, found out I had pinched my radio wire, man. I had to resolder that. So I got to range test that now. And man, you know, I tightened the slipper clutch. That was necessary, like I said. I didn't like the punch. So I also bumped the punch up to 7 on the ESC. It was on 5. And yeah, I'm gonna have to run it again. The shocks, they seem a little bit, they need some tuning. I'm gonna work that out. And yeah, but I mean, it looks great. It looked great. It's dirty now, you know, but it looked great when I took it out there. You know, and I actually cleaned it off some. I wiped it down some, but man, I'm not finna go and spray it with the water hose and all of that kind of thing. I'm not doing that. Not right now. Because I don't feel like, I don't know if these electronics, these radios, the receiver or the fan on the motor are water resistant or waterproof. But yeah, we didn't crack the body. We flipped a few times. We didn't really damage anything. You know, really couldn't get it running because I didn't have no runway because, hey, I didn't have any range. So we really don't know what this thing can do, you know. My upgraded spur gear, slipper clutch housing / motor mount. It's kind of tight for fitting gearing in there. So I'll never see a 22 gear in there. It'll never fit, you know. So that's the one drawback with this particular, you know, model of the mount that I use. But I think I'll be able to at least go up to 18. It's a 17 in there now, like I said. But with the slipper clutch loose and the punch down, I couldn't even get no wheelies. It was performing like a 2S, right? Like it was on 2S. So, and that was on 3S. So we'll see. I know the battery's decent. It wasn't all bad. I still had fun. You know what I'm saying? I still had fun. But I think I gotta find me a new location, man. It was too muddy out there. It was too muddy. You couldn't even really walk out there. You know, the mud was so soft. Ruined a good pair of shoes, you know what I mean? Now them gym shoes out, when they suck that mud up, it's hard to get it off. Anyway, we ain't talking about shoes. We talking about this truck. As you can see, it's got some mud in some places that kind of caked up and everything like that. And I have to deal with it. Stay tuned for the second run of this thing with those little tweaks done. I suspect it'll be a lot better. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you to my 100 subscribers. I made it to 100 subscribers, you guys. That's a big deal for me. I really appreciate the support. You know, I really do. I love doing this. I'd be doing it if I had no subscribers anyway, because I just like doing it. You know, and I like to go back and watch the different videos of all the different guys that are doing reviews and things like that, because I just love the hobby, man. Anyway, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and remember, if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. This is TKS Hobby saying, be blessed. Peace.